Oi everybody, Juliana here. Welcome back to Bake Cookie Travel. Today we are at a sunflower farm in southern Ontario. This field of dreams is full of big, bright, yellow sunflowers, and you won't be able to help being taken over by the amazing view. There are a ton of spots to take amazing photos and lots of fun things to do during your visit, especially if you are with kids. Trust me, it's a summer adventure you won't forget. So let's check it out. Just 15 minutes from Toronto, located in Caledon East, the Davis family farm hosts the incredible Sunflower Festival. Make sure to check out the local bloom forecasts before your trip. Sunflowers have a relatively short peak season, and you won't want to miss their full glory. You can easily find free parking upon arrival. Pay your admission online before or when you arrive and you win. It's the perfect destination for anyone craving a splash of natural beauty and a dose of fresh air. From mid-July to early September, these vibrant fields come to life, painting the landscape with hues of gold and green. At Davis Farms, you can take a walk for over 3 kilometers through a giant field of sunflowers. There are many amazing spots for taking shots and unforgettable moments with family, friends, or a little romance. Something very interesting about sunflowers is that during the early stages of growth, sunflowers follow the sun's movements across the sky, turning their heads from east to west each day. This helps young sunflowers maximize photosynthesis, ensuring they gather as much energy as possible from the sun. Farms are always a great activity with the kids. They have lots of space to play, run around, and to be in contact with the nature. We love it. My little one had a blast. They have mini golf to practice and play around. Sunflowers can produce oil extracted from their seeds, commonly used in cooking, also used in cosmetics, and as biofuel. Beyond that, sunflower seeds are key ingredients in many snacks, breads, and healthy foods. They also produce sunflower honey. The sunflower field has different photo destinations and activities hidden throughout. You can mark on the map where you're coming from, or be part of a photo contest and make some money. There are food and drinks available. I got this delicious freshly made orange with a berry splash drink. Delicious and perfect for the hot weather. There are some farm products available. And a beautiful gift shop where you can get other flowers and of course sunflowers. Also lots of nice little gifts that are sunflower inspired. There is also a little cute petting zoo with some animals. A great experience for the little ones. That's it everyone, this was my experience at the Sunflower Farm. It's really a must to do for the summer. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to drop a like here. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe here. On Bakecook Travel, we always bring the best food adventures and food recipes. If you'd like to see more food recipes, click here, and for more food adventures, click here. See you in the next video.